A month ago I had released a video showing you that I would start mining Solana coin, and I also mentioned that this coin does have some serious potential. Well, today on that Techo guide, I'm going to be showing you how I'm still mining Solana coin and the profitability that I am now making since the price of this coin has gone up exponentially. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's been exactly 1 month that I've been mining Solana coin. So let's take a look at my screen here. And the Solana coin at the moment is at 119 euros. Let me just refresh that. When I had started mining Solana coin, it was at 30 euros. So effectively that has quadrupled in price from when I had started mining this at the end of July. It was exactly on the 31st of July and I got my first payment on the 1st of August. Here if I go to the unminable website, you can see my Solana coin. I'm just going to search for this again, and that just hit the threshold because it is 0.15 to get paid out. By the way, this has now updated to every 12 hours. Before it used to be a payout every 4 hours, but now it's every 12 hours when you reach the threshold of 0.15 sols. So that's been updated recently, and I've just gotten the threshold amount here. Actually, I'm just going to pay that out right now. So I'm just going to switch off the auto pay, and I should be able to just refresh this and just pay out right now. Yes, continued. And wait for 1 minute after updating your auto payment setting in order to be paid out. So I'll just have to give that a minute before I actually say yes to continue. In the meantime, I'm going to show you my payments. So here I was paid out almost every day. So every day I was paid out at least 0.15 sols, sometimes even more. It depends obviously on the mining rig as well, and on the difficulty and the pool as well, and the performance of the pool. So here I was roughly paid out once a day, 0.16, 0.17. Here I got paid out 0.26, and that was because the difficulty was lower. Now everyone has started to mine this coin as well, so I'm starting to make less there. The 0.26 was made in a day as well from the last payment here, as you can see. Now if I go back to the very first page, you can see that I did start mining Solana coin on the 1st of August, 31st of July to be exact, and on the 1st of August I was paid out my first payment. And now I've literally been paid out. If we go to stats, you can see that I've literally been paid out a total of 8.1 sols. Okay, so we also add this 0.15. Let's see if we click yes to continue now. That should pay it out, and there we go. That just paid out to my wallet now because I did it. Now I'll just put this back onto automatic. Here it's saying that I got paid out 8.10819217. That will update a bit later on as well to reflect the payment that I just did now. So let's say I got paid out 8.1 in total, okay, just to make it a month exactly, or 30 days exactly to be exact. 30 days, in 30 days I got paid out 7.16. So effectively, if we were to do the 120 euro that it's currently valued at times the 7.16, in 1 month I made almost 860 euros by mining Solana coin in just 1 month. Now, electricity cost wise, I am consuming around 900 watts of electricity to mine this, which would equate to around 20 euros a week. I've already done the math on this in previous videos as well. So 20 euros a week would equal around 100 euros. So basically, if we just deduct 100 euros from that, that would be my net profitability right there. So my net profits would be 760 euros of Solana in 1 month. So guys, basically I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you what Solana did do in the recent weeks. It did go up, it did have potential, as I had mentioned in my video a month ago, and I'm hoping that this coin will actually be even more profitable in the coming weeks as well. As always, I am not giving you any financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. However, the trend does seem like this coin really has sparked up quite high, as I had mentioned a month ago when it was at 30 euros and not 120 euros, that the trend seemed like this coin did have potential and it did seem like it was going up. Plus it was high on the rankings as well, and now it's at rank number 7 on CoinMarketCap, which is very, very good. So it's got a large market capitalization. Obviously, in order to realize the profits, you would have to sell the coin. You can't be too greedy in these things because, as you know, cryptocurrencies are volatile and they could also crash and go down quite fast as well. So you have to be careful and always keep an eye out on these things. But you can see the potential that there is through mining as well, and that you can actually make a good profit if you actually start mining coins from the get-go when they're at a lower price. And if you do believe in the coin, do mine the coin, even if no one mentions the coin. At the moment, maybe people were mining Ethereum a lot, and Ethereum has gone up as well. At the moment, there is a bull run going on, so most of the crypto coins are going up quite considerably, but always keep in mind to keep an eye out and be careful of the markets and what they're doing, because they can go down as fast as they go up, if not even faster. Obviously, you could always just buy the coins right out, but by investing in GPUs, you can always resell your hardware as well if things start to go south. So it's always an investment by buying video cards as well, and you can always use them for other things as well, so it's not going to be a complete waste of money. Obviously, if you're going to buy multiple video cards, it is going to be quite a sizable investment, and your return on investment might take quite a long time to achieve as well. So there are always risks involved in these things, but there are also risks if you just buy the coin outright, although you will probably buy more coins faster than if you were to mine them. I was using my 5 GPU mining rig to mine this coin, and my 5 GPU mining rig is giving me a total of 272 megahash per second, and you can check out the video on that in the link above or in the description below as well. If you would like to support me, my referral code is right here on the screen, and if you would like to drop your fee on unminable from 1% to 0.75% while mining on unminable, you can just pop in my referral code here, just put that in, and I'll put this down in the description below, and you will drop your fee by 0.25% as well. So guys, I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.